So now, today we're gonna unveil the new HANA 8X, which I've just got ordered from Amazon. So before I cut this here, let me show you how the box look like. It's a pretty standard box. Made in China? Ooh! Alright. I'm scared. Cool box. I've already ruined it before it's even seen the light. Alright, that bit is open. Now Sesame, open yourself. Whoa! This is so cool! So in the box, well, if I compare with my old phone, slightly larger screen. What else do we have, ladies and gentlemen? Ah! I have quick start guide. Whoa! Warranty card. And some cover. That is brilliant. I was gonna buy one of them. I got one for free. I'm not gonna say no to that. You get a standard one of these. And you get an old-fashioned. You get an old-fashioned charger. Standard. And that's it. That's it from China. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.